This morning, a judge plans to issue his decision on the next steps involving abortion in Michigan.
As it stands right now, abortion can't be prosecuted here in the state. Fox 17's Lauren Coomer joining us live right now in the newsroom with more ahead of that decision on if the restraining order in place right now against an old Michigan law will actually stay in place. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Elliot. Tessa. That judge is expected to issue a decision at 10:30 this morning. Hearings have been taking place in Oakland County for the last couple of days. Oakland County Circuit Court Judge Jacob Cunningham is deciding if county prosecutors in the state will also be blocked from enforcing the state's abortion ban, at least until the state Supreme Court decides if a 1931 law is legal. The state appeals court said a previous decision to suspend the law applies to the Attorney General's office, but not county prosecutors. On August 1st, a temporary restraining order was put into place to stop county prosecutors from criminalizing abortion under an old Michigan law. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker is one of the local prosecutors arguing for the ability to enforce that abortion ban at the county level. The 1931 law went back into effect when Roe v. Wade was overturned in June, but a pair of lawsuits by the governor's office stopped enforcement. The state and defense teams made their final arguments for and against that abortion ban law yesterday.
750.14 is one of the most draconian abortion laws in the country. It criminalizes abortion from the moment of pregnancy, and there is no exception for rape, and there is no exception for incest, and there is no exception for the health of the mother. Beyond that, the statute is incredibly vague, and it places providers in a very, very difficult position.
You know, there's a public interest in 30,000 babies who are being aborted every year. There's a public interest there. There's a lot of people who feel that's an important interest that seems to be avoided and overlooked.
Again, the judge plans to issue his decision at 10:30 this morning. We'll continue to follow this, so stay tuned to Fox 17 for the latest updates as they come in. Reporting live in the newsroom, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you, Lauren.